expenses.
Jesus of Nazareth! See these wretched idiots and stupid people. You sit down on top of my car. Why can't you go and take draft board and put on top of my bonnet, begin to play draft? Well, I don't blame you because property is a disease. Now property now they worry two of you. And to cure property, nobody in this life fit cure property. If to say na cancer, well, that one is curable. If to say your father, your grandfather, or your mother, your grandmother, then buy this type of car, you first sit down on top of the car. Lori buruku, bloody nisa. I beg go and open the gate, my friend. Me? God thunder your mouth. You say, who are you by the way and by the bush? You say, yeah. You say, eh? Now the grace. Go and open the gate for me, my friend. Abolori buruku lo main. Go and open that gate before I count 1 to 3. Okay, you. Open the gate for me.
Me, I'll open gate for you.
Go punish you.
Be our caretaker. Don't. My brother there. No talks.
Go thunder your mouth. Go thunder. Go open the gate for me. You won't beat your caretaker.
Oh.
You won't beat your caretaker.
The time we me no get motor. If I pass through your shop like this, if I wave, you no go see me. If I live, you no go mind me. You go just snub me like say I am not a woman being. See now, level don't change now. I don't buy car. If I pass through your shop, you go just the smile. You go just the smile like say na king na in the past. So
you be king now, caretaker.
Make I tell you one thing.
Okay.
I will spoil you. As I talk to you now, I get 2 big containers. Not be small container.
Make I even tell you something. I no go dull myself. Make I tell you the truth. No woman go marry poor man.
Look at me very well, It done better for me. Not be small, though. I'm simply rich. As they see me so, I get 2 big containers for sea. Now Japan, now I load the container with big cars, tier robbers. You understand? So when we talk about money, money is not my problem. My problem is to spend the money.
Spend down for my head.
Because I'm simply rich.
Oh Jesus!
You need 1 car?
I need.
Now you go point the one where you like.
Hey! Thank you, Jesus.
Your mama they work out with you.
She dey work out. She still there for it go better.
That that car. I think 1 car is good for elderly woman like your mother. I will give your mama that 1 car. You understand?
Thank you.
Just thank God say you meet me.
Now your head, I go die.
You're welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
What can I do for you?
I can't apologize for the thing we happened for that day.
That one is bygone, You see, I don't forgive you because, I'm international caretaker. You see, these people, you don't know the type of demand I am. That one is gone. You hear me? Let me tell you one thing. You know CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria.
Yes.
I'm the caretaker for them. From there, now I get this money. I take buy this car. Central Bank of Nigeria. Yes. If I tell them today, they say, don't print any money out. Either they like it or not, they have to obey me. Because I'm the caretaker for CBN. Apart from that, have you ever been to Aru?
I never run mad before.
Psychiatric hospital I'm talking about.
I never run mad before.
One day you're going to be there.
Because God forbid.
That psychiatric hospital, I'm the caretaker for them.
No wonder.
No wonder you're...
No, they reflect for your body.
Not there, now you have to get money. If I like, I fit tell all the people where they let break. I will say, pack your thing, come out. I'm your caretaker. They don't fit do me anything.
My God.
Wetin happen? Ajani? Why you dey do like palm oil wey dey inside hot fry pan like this? Wetin happen?
You don't hear rumor. Where they talk now?
Come, wait. You no be small pikin. Wetin happen? Wey never happen before. Wey you dey do like small pikin?
My God. You know, I said that stupid man, he win lotto.
Wait, which man be that?
Now that's our caretaker. He went to redirect.
Caretaker?
Yes, guy.
Went to redirect?
Redirect.
Oh,
my God.
Caretaker 4 people. Went to redirect.
They say na 2 eyes. He win himself.
Twice?
Yes.
Yeah. Come, how you can do am?
They say na 10,000. He take play am.
Who give am the game?
You dey for life, I dey for life. You dey ask me how heaven be.
We be say I dey for cars. But they are nice. I no see till direct. God, wetin I do for you? My sufferness of supposed to end. And you promise me for this new resolution. Say my sufferness go end. But the side where they see, it no be like that. God, for where your eye dey. But come, for where you hear that rumor sef?
Now for beer parlor now. They say it declare for all of them where they for beer parlor. Everybody, the person where no fit drink, they drink too. He drink for. You be bad person. Yes. How?
Shebi you talk say you need to go beer parlor yesterday.
Not be say I go beer parlor. Now the money where I hold, I go pay. Yes.
You come sit down there, they hear the whole story.
No, as I reach there now, I come meet Baba Yellow. Now Baba Yellow come buy only 1 beer for me and see me see trouble. You see, I don't drink 1 glass, the second glass. He give me half. As I pour the half one, now here they hear the rumor. I no fit deal the small one with him.
No, Baba caretaker won't see the direct.
Oh.
And I don't dey play lotto now. Oh God, my first daughter never marry.
You see, me, we are big godly man. God, why you reject me? Me, we are the big, put big money, I no win. The day where I put small money, now you go win. God. It be like say your star, my star, you know.
Now your own star no match with my own. The time wey beside the forecast of my own, where I no give anybody game and they win. The time when you say make I dey give you game, I know they win again.
I know the thing where they do you.
What did they do you?
You see, your wife star and your own not the same. Make you carry your wife go meet Babalawo, make it see the thing where they do you, make it wash your head for you. Because even if I define my way where I go just give you.
No worry.
I don't like your star.
Now you make you watch yourself. I know myself, and I know say my God no go sleep. God, if you know say yes, you want this poverty to come out for my body. All this my punishment, sufferness, suffer head, make it go. Just make I sleep, make I say for direct. Make I supersede my enemy. Surprise the whole world. Say you understand me now. I will come to you, my God, and book me. You understand me, my God, please. Ajani, come on for my way, come on for my way. Caretaker 4 people. I know, say we no go rest on this compound again. I know. Long God.
Boys for face to face, they go make you tire. Girls for face to face, they fit put you for trouble. Landlord wahala, tenant palava, them begin go. That one na case yo.
Face to face,
face to
face. Another way of life for this country. This face me and face you house because kata kata.
Inside face to face, you go laugh tire. Gossip dey plenty, ame boboku. Dem go talk say, one day we go build a house for Victoria Garden City. Face to face, come on man now.
Another way of life for this country. This face me and face you out because
Kata kata trouble day everywhere day and night. Face to
another way of
face.
life for
For
this
this
country.
country.
This face
Why you put the tip on my domot na wahala every day fight. Face to face.
is another way
If I tell am say make he borrow me money, he go talk say he no get.
face you
God don catch am.
Brother and sister every day face to face.
Yamukuro. Yamukuro. Why you come sleep inside now?
I don't tire about Mukulu. No, say the hold up na bomba to bomba.
So if hold up there, say now you drive him motor. No be sleep, you dey sleep inside bus.
Sleep okay. Hey, where everybody come down for inside bus, they take like the waka.
I be come inside, come sleep down.
Oh.
Orogi. So now your money dey fall down, so now be this on top of the thing. Okay, just.
Boys for face to face, they go make you tired. Yes, for face to face, they be put you for trouble. Now not wahala, them not palava.
Caretaker.
That one not easy.
face to face.
Face to
Another way
face.
of life for this country.
Richie Angelina, what do you come do for my house like this early morning?
Wetin I no go come do? Caretaker, wetin I no go come do? The 10,000 naira wey you collect for my hand that day, my market money, abeg when you wan return am to me?
Risi, oh my God, because of 10,000 naira, na they holla for. Anyway, you know the thing will happen. My PA will go bank, you get problem. Kidnapper. They kidnap the boy. In fact, they just call me now, say, before they go release the boy, then go collect 10 million naira. And my checkbook will not there with me. That's the problem I have for now.
Abeg, me I wan ask you one question. All this story wey you dey talk since morning, how e take concern me?
It concern you. My friend, it concern you now. Your money dey there. Now because of you, I send boy say make you go bank now, go collect the 1 million naira. It concern you now. And the chicken peri way you dey chop. Who chop pass?
Hey, see all this story wey you dey talk since morning. All this yarn wey you dey yarn since morning. I no dey for all those ones so. Caretaker, na another face of me you wan see now. Because as I dey so I be confirm Omo Igboro. And if you don't enter that house, go give me my money. Hey.
Wetin go happen?
Hey, go big go shele.
It's a lie. You can't do me nothing. Nada. You can't do me anything. If you call yourself Amagboro, I'll be real Ajegule boss. I know how many years where I sleep under the bridge. What hell are you talking about? Look, don't let me first. So if I first, you go know say you are enter Wahala today.
Abeg leave ìròyìn for Alaroye. Na Alaroye get ìròyìn, na CNN get news. If you no enter now, give me my money, go be go shele o. You go see go be, I dey tell you, na another face of me you dey see so, caretaker. Hey.
Listen, you go untie me.
I go untie you. In fact, I want to. Give me look, boss man.
Beat me again.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Beat me again. You do that as a joke?
Give me my money.
5,000. Hey, 3,000 don't come. Tèmi bá mi.
Yamukuro.
Baba Mukuro.
I dey go out.
Baba Mukuro, I dey find 3,000.
Dey find it. Maybe na the time we dey waka our compound now yesterday. Now you don lose this money.
But I tell them wait for my clothes.
But remember, say when I wake you up, the money fall down. Now you pick am again now.
But he reach, he complete, he come out.
So na me thief am.
No, I no say na you take for Abi.
The way you fall for ground, I say make you pick and come they say please. Where are they go, Asha?
Baba Mukuro. Give me. It's like 3,000. Now who take this money? Now who take this money? Person who take this money now suffer, he won't suffer me. 3,000 we are not fit get for gain for 1 month.
Just take and get out from my compound. Take, my friend, take. Take now. Are you deaf? I said take and get out from this place. Take. I don't send my boss, make he go bank, the account officer, make he go collect billions for me. So he go come here with a bullion fan. So just take and carry your
I beg this story. How much did they?
You don't go school? Count them, my friend. Nonsense. I don't know the thing we carry where they make younger because of the airbag we they
5,000 naira. Caretaker. I bet sure 5,000 naira be my money or 10,000 naira.
Ask me again.
Hey, caretaker. If they look for Wala, if they look for my red eye, I they warn you. Hey.
You think say red eye feel like cigarette? I they ask you. Wait, say na so go na him born you.
No be Shango born me. I dey repeat am again, no be Shango born me. But if you vex me, but I go call boys, we go call deflate that tire of motor wey they use deceive people. I go call them come.
Thunder go fire you if you no call boys.
Me.
Thunder go fire you.
Me. Hey, na part 2 you wan start.
We go start part 3. Nonsense. If you like, take that one. If you don't like, drop it.
Hey.
I will. Who's that?
Caretaker.
Go, thank God I meet you. Now the balance of my house rent. Now I compare you.
Okay, that's what. Don't count it. Go.
My hand they clean no.
Go.
I beg.
Yeah.
Oh, be my witness. So.
I am.
Stupid man.
Okay, bring am.
Bring what?
Bring am now.
Bring what?
Shebi they don't bring money. Balance make I dey go. Give me money.
You just
Can't make my money complete though.
complete for where?
Give me.
The time when you dey chop chicken peri. You don't know say na money na I dey spend.
You save. You know wetin you carry.
Wetin
They
I
don't
carry?
born you well, make you no pay me my money.
The airbag wey don finish now you say you carry
This
something.
one where they enter you. Where they enter
Then
your
they
hand.
deceive you. Some airbag dey. If you press am like this, you go push your hand. God punish your mother.
He then born you well. Come my shop again.
Who go
see
come
wetin I
your
do.
shop?
Old fool.
Olori buruku na ba you. You don't go better for your father. Listen, I'm not serious. Olori buruku.
5,000 naira. For where I go get 5,000 naira before tomorrow. Hey, my lord. Yamukuru. Thank God. I see you, I remember. Please, that money will dey with you. I won't use it. Yes.
You mean the money where we dey save for, where we dey keep for house rent, Abi?
Yes. Now money person they take fine money. I don't jam luck.
You jam lucky?
Yes.
I beg you, Jari. Now which kind lucky you jam?
God don't talk say now for old age now we go get money. And the money don't come. Yes. Just give me the money.
Abi, what do you remain? Nobody happy. I remain.
Oh, my dear. We go rejoice until we die. Bye bye to Jagba Jagba. Bye bye to Rede. Baba Mukuro don't make a move.
Bye bye to Jaga Jaga.
Baba Mukuro don't hit a move.
Bye bye to Jaga Jaga.
Bye bye to Rede.
Bye bye to Rede.
Bye bye to poverty.
Bye bye to Jaga Jaga.
Baba Mukuro don't hit a move.
Bye bye.